Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quiz in Thunkable. First, begin a new project and select a blank canvas. Next, design your user interface by adding labels for questions, buttons for answers, and perhaps an input field for usernames. Remember to name each component clearly, like question label or answer button 1, to simplify your coding later. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth development process. Now, let's implement the core quiz logic. Create two lists, one for your quiz questions and another for their correct answers. Initialize variables to keep track of the current question index, starting at 0, and the player's score, also starting at 0. Then, use these variables to display the very first question and its associated answer options on your app screen, setting the stage for interaction. When a user selects an answer, we need to check its accuracy. In your blocks, compare the selected answer with the correct answer from your list. If they match, increase the player's score by 1 point. After checking, increment the question index. If there are more questions, display the next one. Otherwise, transition to a results screen, concluding the quiz experience. Finally, let's display the quiz results. On a dedicated screen, show the user their final score, perhaps out of 10 questions, and offer some encouraging feedback. Include a Play Again button. When this button is pressed, reset all your variables, like the score and question index, back to their initial values. This prepares the app for a brand new quiz session, ready for another round of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.